Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Automart A2B. Today I'll be showing you this Vauxhall Corsa 1.4 SE, which we have in stock, black as well, manual gearbox, petrol. Start off with, we got these automatic headlights, daytime running lights and front fog. Showing you around the car in this video, and if I see any faults which wear and tear, I'll point it out to you as well. First of all, we got those 17-inch alloy wheels, nice and tidy. Really nice car, to be fair. Just few hairline scratches, not to worry about. Our body shop team give a good polish on it. Second alloy there is really nice. On the rear we got this reverse parking sensors, the tail light there, so I'll show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely deep boot space. On the rear you do have space for your spare wheel. Down there you got your tire repair kit up here and the first aid kit down there. Seats to fold down. It's got 60-40 split setting on the seats, so you can get extended boot space as you fold down. Got fabric interior on this car, it's really nice, and then a mixture with leather. Cool. Let's show you inside. Got front electric windows, the rear ones are manual. So down here we got the auto headlights, like I said, front and rear fog, the headlight adjustability and the interior light setting. So the car's got 45,270 miles, which is nothing for a Corsa. You do have heated seats, heated steering wheel, and for your passenger as well. So yeah, really nice spec. You do have the FM DAB, which is nice, and also you got multifunction steering wheel as well, some functions on there. Got speed limiter as well down here, along with your rain sensing wipers. So yeah, so cars here with us will live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.